Blessed?
Blessed is the man that walks not in the counsel of the ungodly, nor standeth in the way of sinners, nor saith in his seat of scornful, but he delights in the law of the Lord, and in does he meditate day and night. And he shall be the tree planted by the river of water, that springeth forth in his season, and his leaf also shall not wither. And whatsoever he doeth shall prosper. But the ungodly not in the judgment
Are not so.
are not so. But I will chaff
Which the wind
which the wind drives away. Therefore, ungodly shall not stand in the judgment,
nor
nor
sinners
stand in the congregation of the righteous. And in his
for the
law,
Lord
for the Lord knows the way of the righteous.
but the ungodly
The way
of ungodly shall perish. Psalm 1.
Good job.